Hello, so for today's video, I am off to go and see Wicked at the cinema. I am very, very excited. So yeah, I thought we'd do like a fun little makeup look. So I feel like this is going to be super easy, and you can really switch out the colours to how you want it to be. So obviously I'm going for a pink and green theme today, but you can sort of do as you please a little bit. So it's like a nice, fun, easy, colourful look. Obviously you can do this for more muted colours as well. So yeah, I'm going to do a voiceover because I do a lot of talking. So we're just going to get started, okay? Okay, so skincare and eyebrows are done. So we're going to prep the eyelids. So we're going to take the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot and we're just going to put this all over the lids. Then taking this Colourpop and RawBeautyKristi eyeliner, obviously just any green eyeliner will do. So we're putting that in the waterline. And we're taking it on like the top waterline as well. It doesn't really matter if it gets on the eyelid, as long as it's around the area that we need to get it to. And I take my finger and I literally smudge this out. Probably not the best thing to do with your eyes, but it works. So we just take it, rub it, add a little bit more if needed. It's just kind of going back and forth with that technique. Then I take the Jordana Ticia. This is like their eyeshadow. It's like a little cream and then a sparkly shade. So taking the cream first and literally just patting that on with our finger. And I do take a brush for the sparklier shade. So just pat this on the lid with the brush. Obviously you can just use your finger for this if you just want less brushes to clean. I take my finger anyway. I just like a little bit more control to first deal with it before I go with my finger. And that is literally the eyes done. So then we take the Adrell 421 lashes and then the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in Waterproof. So we'll do that off camera and then come back. Okay, so lashes are on, so we're going to move on to base. So I'm going to take the Saie Super Glow onto a palette and we're just going to pop that onto the cheeks. Then taking the Tatcha Silky Canvas, we're going to take a little bit of this and pop this in the T-zone. So chin, upper lip, nose and the forehead, just to kind of blur and smooth that area. Obviously you can do one or the other, you don't have to do both here. Then take foundation, this is the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk. I think this is a little bit too dark for me, so I kind of just take this down the neck just a little bit. So I really pound that into the palette and then I apply it all over the face just so the brush gets a good amount of that product in there. Then taking the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Corrector Concealer, in Cherry Blossom. And I do wait for this to dry. I'd say anywhere from like 2 to 5 minutes. Obviously, you just don't see it on camera. And then I go ahead and blend that out with the Hourglass Vanish Concealer Brush. Then I take the Nars Soft Matte Concealer, I think in Chantilly. Just going to take that on the eyes. Sort of this outer corner of the eye as well. I'll just speed this up so it's so much quicker for you to see this. Then I take it on the forehead, the nose, Cupid's bow, and the chin. I don't wait for this one to dry because it's got pretty matte consistency already. So I literally just blend this out straight away. So yet again, using that same Hourglass brush. Then I take the the Pat McGrath Under Eye Supply Blurring Powder in light. And we're just going to put this under the eyes. Then I take the Pink Honey contour thing. I don't really use Pink Honey anymore. It's just I have this product, so I use it. So I just take that where the sort of shadows sit, so where I want the contour to hit the best and sort of sculpt my face. Then I take a Crown Brush C436 just to blend this out. Then I take the Rose Ink bronzer. I can't remember what this is called. I'm just going to pop a little bit of this on the face. So taking that on the cheeks and then the temple as well. Then taking that same brush, we just blend this out. And then with the forehead, I sort of pull my hair back just so I can like pull the product back into the hairline so it's not sort of just sitting everywhere. And then I take the Milani Baked Bronzer and we're going to just set where we put the cream one. Then I take the Westman Atelier highlighter stick in, I think this is Lit Up. Or lit, I'm not entirely sure, but I do take my finger because if you put it on the face directly, it will just pick up product. Then I take a little brush and we pop that on the inner corners. And a little bit on the brow bone as well. Then I take the Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb, put that on the inner corners. And then underneath the brow bone as well. Then I take a big brush and we apply this to the cheeks. Then I take the Patrick Tar, this is the blush palette. It's like a Christmas one, but honestly, they're all the same. Just pick a shade that you like. So I take the cream first. Just pop that on the sort of apples a little bit further back. And then we take the powder as well and just add that on. Then I go back into the eyeliner and just really put this in the waterline again, just to really define it. And then I take a lower lash mascara, but you're literally going to see none of this. You're going to see the top of my head. Then I take the Huda Beauty Pound Cake. Yes, that's the shade, but what is the powder? I'm unsure. But I take this all over the face. Then I take, Charlotte Tilbury and Pillow Talk, I want to say this is. I just line the lips. So kind of line them and then fill in this outer corners, as you can see that I'm doing. Then I take the Fenty Beauty Gloss in Fussy, I want to say this is. Honestly, such a gorgeous shade. Then I take MAC Fix Plus and just spritz that all over. And then the Urban Decay All Night Pollution Protection Setting Spray. And then that is it. Okay, so this is the finished look. I just think it's super fun, super cute, really easy. You don't need a lot of like eyeshadow brushes and stuff. Yeah, and then I feel like obviously lashes, you can go bigger, you can go better, or you can go smaller, and really like, yeah, I don't know, like I just feel like it's like a overall really easy makeup, not a lot of hassle, and you still look quite put together, but a little bit like Smokey as well. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Bye.